Matikan ya, Nak.
Di tengah dunia yang berlari begitu cepat, di tengah kota yang selalu bising oleh percakapan dan ambisi manusia, ada satu suara yang datang tanpa meminta perhatian, namun justru menjadi penenang bagi hati yang lelah, azan. Menariknya, ketenangan itu bukan hanya dirasakan oleh kaum muslimin. Berkali-kali dunia menyaksikan momen-momen tak terduga ketika anak-anak kecil dari berbagai negara tiba-tiba terdiam, ketika remaja non-muslim memejamkan mata, atau ketika ada orang tua yang tak mampu menahan air mata saat pertama kali mendengar lantunan azan. Seolah ada sesuatu dalam suara itu yang langsung mengetuk pintu hati.
Wow, what timing! From every direction.
36 mosques in 1 square kilometer. And it's been calling for 1400 years.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And it is the same word from the time of the Prophet. And look, people closing their shops, and everybody is going to pray. Look,
Oh,
they're closing.
just magical. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
It's such an incredible sight and sound that I find myself completely overcome.
And soon they will be reading Quran, and maybe one of them will be reading the story of Jesus and Mary, because it's in the Quran, and Moses. Look at the shop they're closing to go to pray.
I feel quite moved.
It is a nice experience.
Beautiful.
Yes. And it's authentic, and it's human. It's not recorded. So each guy is calling. And in the past, 100 years ago, before the introduction of the microphones, they used to go all the way to the top, and he calls. And then everybody hears.
That's the call to prayer. Yeah, it's the call to prayer. What do you think?
Azan bukan sekadar seruan untuk sholat. Ia adalah panggilan lembut yang Allah turunkan untuk kembali mengingatkan manusia kepada tujuan hidupnya. Setiap lafadznya membawa makna yang dalam. Meskipun tidak selalu dipahami oleh telinga, tapi seringkali dipahami oleh hati. Bagi banyak non-muslim di luar sana, momen pertama mendengar azan justru menjadi titik awal perjalanan spiritual. Awalnya mungkin hanya rasa penasaran karena alunannya terasa indah. Lalu muncul keinginan untuk mengetahui artinya. Hingga tidak sedikit yang akhirnya menemukan kedamaian dalam Islam dan memeluknya. Inilah bukti bahwa fitrah manusia memang menyukai kebenaran. Dan azan adalah salah satu cara Allah mengetuk hati manusia dengan cara yang paling lembut. Dan yang lebih menakjubkan, meskipun banyak dari mereka tidak memahami bahasa Arab, hati mereka tetap tersentuh. Karena kebenaran tidak selalu butuh terjemahan. Terkadang cukup didengar dengan hati, dan hati akan mengenalinya.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. أشهد أن لا
Call to prayer, the Muslim call to prayer starts at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So,
It's an extraordinary sound.
wow. So the first week it was like, second week it was like, oh, it's kind of quite nice. But the third week I was totally captivated by it. Loved it. So then I thought maybe Islam's the answer.
شوها شوفي
اسمع
شو عم يساوي ها حلو 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 صوته ما بتعرفي شو ها ناتالي ما بتعرفي شو هذا شو
بلا
شو ها
جامد
طيب شو عم يقول
ليش بدك تعرف؟ إذا تعرف
شو عم يقول شو عم
هي-
يقول ليش شو عم يقول صوته حلو
صوته حلو
مرتاحة ما بتعرفي انه هذا عم يقدم اجت صلاة العشاء هلا
ها؟
اجت صلاة العشاء ما بتعرفي ناتالي ما بتعرفي انه عم يقدم العشاء ما بتعرفي ولا مرة سمعتي هذا الصوت
لا أول مرة هاي
أول مرة حلو الصوت هذا السويد ما عندكم
لا والله
ما في
لا ما في
هذا الصوت حلو مو شلون تفوتي تصلي
إيه mana
بدك تصلي
Dan di sini kita sebagai muslim justru diberi pengingat. Jika mereka yang belum mengenal Islam saja bisa merasakan ketenangan dari azan, bagaimana dengan kita yang mendengarnya setiap hari? Sudahkah kita merespon panggilan itu dengan rasa cinta? Sudahkah kita memahami betapa istimewanya suara yang memanggil kita 5 kali dalam sehari?
I love this sound.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I have mosque next to my building.
Same, it's so calming. Like anywhere that you are, you can hear it, and it's like it's
matikan ya nak tapi minum obat ya nak minum vitamin ya kalau nggak mau minum vitamin nanti matikan ini ya nak matikan ya oh iya dah minum vitamin tapi ya minum vitamin ya nak matikan ya nak kenapa ada yang suka dengar Allahu Akbar suka iya suka denger ini pegang suka adik nontonnya iya suka adik dengarnya ya iya adik suka denger Allahu Akbar iya suka kayak mana suaranya nak kayak mana bikin dulu. Kayak mana suaranya? Kayak mana? Allahu Akbar gitu. Udah ya nak, kita matikan ya nak.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah.
If you live in a Muslim country, don't take this one thing for granted. So April this year, my family and I were in Malaysia. We were visiting my wife's family for the first time before we got married. And it was the first time my non-Muslim family had ever heard the azan. And I remember it clearly. It was the azan for Salat al-Maghrib, and my mother walked out onto the balcony and was just in complete awe listening to the azan. And wallahi, she fell in love with it. She fell in love with the azan, the peace it gave her. And every call to prayer she was around, she would be on the balcony listening to the azan, just in complete peace. And she told me just yesterday, she said, that is the biggest thing she misses about being in Malaysia, just hearing the azan. And the azan is the most beautiful, most peaceful thing she's heard in her whole life, her favorite noise. So if you live in a Muslim country and you are so blessed to hear the beautiful azan, the call to prayer 5 times a day, consider yourself among the rich, among the blessed, and be grateful, inshallah.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks, Kat. Wow, the call to prayer's just started.
So the call to prayer has just started. We're right next to a mosque here. We absolutely love hearing the call to prayer. It's so, even though sometimes it could be early in the morning, it can be quite loud. It's very, very beautiful.
This is... Does it just go through the whole city?
That is awesome.
It's just somebody singing right now.
That's so beautiful.
I feel like it's almost disrespectful to talk during this time.
I think
we got to do like a moment of silence.
This has to be something religious. Let me look it up. I want to find out what it is so we can say it so we don't sound stupid. What would I Google? What plays in the sky in Abu Dhabi?
Why does the voice of God come down at 12:40 in Abu Dhabi?
What is the music playing around Abu Dhabi at 12:40? That's over.
Huh. That's interesting.
We tried to Google because I'm sure it's something. It has to be something for religious purposes.
100%.
A mosque?
A mosque or
that
a
kind of
temple?
looks like a mosque.
Where did that come from?
Thank you. It came from heaven. It came from the sky. It was beautiful.
That was cool. That was a cool experience.
That was cool.
حي على الصلاة